Right, so this is the face of shame.
Shame. Shame.
I missed one day out of the 21-day vlog challenge, and that means I've now officially failed. Failed!
Oh my god! Okay, it's happening! Everybody stay calm! What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Stay calm!
However, I learned a few things from the few days of daily vlogging. Number one is that you've got to be fully passionate when you make a video, because if you're not, you just won't feel it, you won't put everything into it, and you'll look back and feel disappointed. Number two, I felt like I was making content and videos for the sake of making content and videos. Number three, it was fucking hard. Like, I was losing sleep. I was going to bed at like 3:30, 4:30 in the morning after editing a daily vlog, and then I'd be at work for 12 hours, and then I'd have to come home and think of some more content, and then stay up till the next morning till 3 or 4 editing that, and then back up at 7. It was hard, real hard. Especially if you're wanting to still deliver quality, which I always do. I mean, anybody can daily vlog about sitting in Cafe Nero, sipping a caramel latte and eating a fucking blueberry bun, but I was trying to still maintain the quality in these daily vlogs, and that was hard, real hard. So yeah, although I failed, no biggie, I'm still making videos, and the videos I'm going to make from now on are going to be as it was before I set myself this ridiculous challenge. Wild camping and exploring and talking about the ghosts, the aliens, the Bigfoots, the cryptids, and so on and so on and so on. I am completely blown away at the minute by the YouTube channel and how fast it's growing. But YouTube is a slow process. This doesn't happen overnight. So for me, in less than 7 months, less than 6 months, I believe, to have 523 subscribers already, that's just mind blowing. I feel unique and I feel really special because there's not many people that I know who have mixed the two together. There's a lot of people that talk about wild camping and bushcraft skills, and there's a lot of people that talk about extraterrestrials and Bigfoot. I've not seen anybody doing the wild camp bushcraft scene mixed in with the paranormal, thought-provoking topics scene other than 401 files. So I feel really special to be doing that. Hopefully you guys like the two mix as well, the two mixed together. And yeah, so I'm just doing a quick update just to let you guys know that I'm a failure and I suck at life, but hey, onwards and upwards, onwards and upwards.